Pilot, Stuffed Bear. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing, pero today mag-unbox tayo ng 3 boxes ng Le Petit Prince or the Little Prince series, starring the Prince himself, the Little Prince, and then the King, and our secret, the Pilot. Actually, iniisip ko kung ibebenta ko yung Pilot ko, or kasi mataas yung ano niya yung value niya sa market, around 7 to 8,000. So I think I'll just go ahead and get a one set ng 9 series once there's already a restock sa PopMart, sa Wawa. So we'll go ahead and unbox the 2, Little Prince and the Pilot. Little Prince is one of the greatest chase dito sa series, aside sa secret na Pilot. Ayan, na-open ko na siya, so there's no turning back. Wow. This is the Little Prince. Right side view, back view, and the left side view. Look at his eyes, nangungusap talaga. And then ito yung stand niya. So kasya si Little Prince dito. But we're not gonna stress the Prince. He deserves better. Although pwede ko naman siyang dalhin paminsan-minsan. The 21st heir to the throne. No other than the secret. It's the Pilot. Okay. Wow. Pilot is worthy of being called the secret. The LC. Actually, may plastic kasi yung bag niya. There you go. The secret. ASMR. Right side view, back view, left side view. This is Hirono Stuffed Bear Secret from the Shelter series. Hirono Stuffed Bear wear yung kanyang bear here. Stuffed Bear from the Shelter series, and Pilot from the Le Petit Prince.